afternoon for me. We've had some of the most incredible artists to play with us, for us, amongst us, and now we're going to do our best to play our set for you. Are you alright? You alright? I hear there's a gale force winds coming. What are you going to do? Let's all be the Tempest, yeah? There's no words for the emotion I'm trying to convey to you. I can only do it in gesture. Feels good. This is called Best Intentions.
Some misdirected energies and self-obsessive tendencies. I waste no more time in wanting what can never be. Friendships often up, and I really hope that you remember me in kindness or empathy, at least like I remember you. Know that I am who I am for having been a friend to you. I know now firsthand regretting love what left to you. Of all that makes you loving and all your love was paid attention to. Been here before in time, but trying not to mention you. Blood and guts just filled to plastic with a stench to you. I lose me loving, I do things I never meant to do. All my weakness, and I'm not just the strength for you. So I can make the most of me. All the use is secrets I still keep. They are like ghosts to me, haunting me. Every time I let someone get close to me. All the use I have beside is crashing like supposed to me. Naked came, naked left, and squandered all my hopes of me. Resuscitate the fire side, snaffled the rope for me. Maybe for the mortal, but in secret made a joke of me. And then you lost all your hope in me. Whatever comes to pass, I hope that you left me not sure. My love was always real, my intention always pure. Whatever people tell you, they'll never love you more. I wish I knew to love you right before.